Pixapresso battery replacement. Prepare tools and parts. Power off the Pixapresso. Unscrew and remove the outlet head. Remove the shower head by inserting the flathead screwdriver into the groove. Pry out the sealing ring from the outlet head mount. Unscrew the 3 screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to lose the waterproof ring on the screw. Pull out the outlet head mount. Disconnect the cable and carefully remove the old battery. It can be used in conjunction with a flathead screwdriver to gently pull out the battery. Insert the new battery, reconnect the cable, and ensure the connector is firmly seated at the bottom. Reinstall the outlet head mount, making sure the outlet hole is aligned. Tighten the 3 screws securely. Reinstall the sealing ring, checking alignment with the outlet hole. Reattach the outlet head and screw it back in place. Power on the Pixapresso and check the battery level.